There's a bhav in the US, right? With the temple, with Sedona, the sacred spots, with the murtis. People have murtis, there's bhav. But then there's a bhav in India, which is like amazing, which is totally a deep dive. That's what we hope to bring. Take it away, Lori.
Yes. We're going to team up to teach those who show up, how to find freedom, how to find agency using these teachings of Vedanta, using the archetypes that Manoj is talking about, the stories, so that you can live your life to your fullest expression. Manoj, you mentioned that we'll be talking about the nervous system, how it relates to the gunas. We'll be practicing some field-focused flow, somatic yoga practices. We'll be using story and myth to experientially engage with these deities and these archetypes so that you have an opportunity to feel how they express through you as an individual. Yes. And we'll also be creating a map that you can take home with you, that it's a map of your inner landscape that will help you to understand which archetypes are strong and which ones are waiting to be awakened from within you. We learn all of this so that we can build resilience, so that we can make space for our human emotions, for the body's physiological responses to stress, so that you can live that life of full empowerment, and that you can then take that empowerment and be in service to the world. When we're done with our weekend together, we're planning on sending you home with the knowledge, the practice, and the tools that are needed so that you can live with free freedom and autonomy.